sourdough bread. Yeah, the process takes a lot more time. You got to figure that this sourdough starter started in 2020. Not that we're calculating that time, but the process takes a good amount of time. And I made an event yesterday, and we're not going to bake these loaves until tomorrow. Recipes are in a subfolder in Brightspace. There is a recipe card for this course. And a lot of the recipes from that I don't use anymore. I created a subfolder in there with my rotation recipes, all the bread recipes. Okay, so I tried to loosen, and with quite a wet scraper and quite wet hands, I take the dough on the long side of the bin and I fold over. Long side of the bin and I fold over. So now I've taken the sides and I've made a bit of an envelope with it. Now I go on the long side, hands nicely wet, and I place my hands roughly a third of the way in under the dough, and like this, with just my middle finger touching, I pull and I fold it over. Now I want to take where the fold is. You see where the dough folded over itself? Nice wet fingers. I pull and fold. The last one, I pick it up and I turn it. That's a fold. Sides in. Then pull and fold over itself. Then fingers into the fold over once, fold over one more time, and then I turn it across. So that the next time I do this major this one only gets one fold. But when I'm doing 2-3 folds, I want to alternate the direction on the bread. Just like if you're doing laminated doughs, puff pastry, anything like that, you want to turn the dough. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, chef.
Yeah. Water on top. So I'll do mine, well, as soon as I can. As soon as you guys are ready with some doughs, at least 30-40 minutes from now, then I can start the process of dividing to show you. Sounds good?
Yeah, chef.
You're clear on what you need